Hi, welcome to this video. How to use Capcut to create stop motion videos. Head over to your project, and to create a stop motion video in Capcut, you can basically use the FPS lag effect on video footage for automatic stylized effect, right? So import your footage. Step 2, apply effects. So hit effects at the bottom middle here, like a magic wand, and press the first option, video effects. Inside, what I'm going to do, I'm going to search for FPS lag. All right. And press the first option. Activation errors can log, right? And apply the effect. Hit the check mark here to apply the effect, sorry. Right? And you can use the speed slider to adjust how choppy the movement is. Higher speed, fewer frames, more dramatic. So I'm going to press the video now. Activation errors can lock you out of important Windows features. So basically, that's it. Tips for success: use a tripod when taking photos to keep the background consistent. Lighting: maintain consistent lighting between frames to avoid flickering. And set your project to 24 or 30 FPS for a classic film feel. Consider liking this video, subscribe it really helps. See you in the next one.